Reproductive health, that means the health or the person who is undergoing reproduction process, he is producing offspring. At that time his body undergoes many changes, especially in the internal fertilization process. So any animal which undergoes the internal fertilization, that is mostly mammals, births, when that's female body carries a baby first. It is in case of egg, it is different. But in case of the full young ones, has to be carried. The female has to carry the young one, fetus for the longer duration. In that case, in that duration, many changes will take place in the body. Due to that, there are many health issues can start, and due to which we have to take care of that reproductive health. Reproductive health doesn't mean only the body changes, physical changes. There are mental changes also. There are many physical changes happening in the body. Mental changes, the person should be ready for the reproduction. Then only his body will carry the young one, fetus. Second one, physical changes. Many body changes has been taken place at that time. Many hormonal changes happens in the body. Many therefore the mental challenges are much more there mentally, because all hormones are interlinked. It won't happen that is there is a one single hormone change has taken place, then it will work only on that particular organ. It won't happen. It will be completely, all the hormones are interlinked. So if there is a change in the one hormonal level, it will give rise to the other problems also, which are related to the other hormonal problem. Just like increased secretion of estrogen causes the thyroid problem. Increased thyroid level changes the estrogen level in the body. So they are interlinked with each other. And estrogen and testosterone, one thing, that is small amount of estrogen is also secreted in the male body, and small amount of testosterone is also secreted in the female body. Small amount is already always there, and that do the changes. There are some changes in the female which will be similar to that of the male, possible. There are some changes in the male body according to the female body, it's also there, but that won't be much recognizable, so we don't want to think of that case. So there are these changes will take place. There are the different changes happen in that reproductive phase. So every time the person should be mentally, physically, socially fit for having continuing that reproduction process. Especially the female has to be taken much more care, because her body undergoes many changes in that duration, and after that also, after reproduction also, it has to repair the body, coming back to the situation, original situation before the after giving the birth. It will take, that repair process will take approximately 3 years duration. So continuous pregnancies will cause damage to the body, and it is fatal to the life also. The earlier women used to die because of the continuous pregnancies. Nowadays much more awareness is there, many contraceptive methods are there, and much more actually general awareness are there. So therefore this fertility has been reduced. But earlier, uh, multiple pregnancies, lesser duration, even the age of the mother is very less. First thing. Second thing, continuous pregnancies happening. Third thing, it is awareness was not there properly. So due to that, the mortality rate of the female body, female mothers, as well as child was much more. There are many they have their earlier time, there's a children, they are giving birth, number of children more than 4 it was there. Giving birth in a lesser duration, this one lesser lifetime, means the age is also very less, and at that time giving birth to these many number of children, the body undergoes a much more changes, and it is degraded to a much more. So due to that the mortality rate has increased, and due to this cases sometimes the baby is also not surviving for a longer duration. So this has been changed now. Now it is the reproduction age has been done more than 18. So till that time the person is mentally, that female male both are personal, mentally as well as physically they are fit. So that is, there will not be much problem happens with the physically. Mentally, that has to be, that is depends on the person to person, that is depends on the social environment also. So, and Second thing is, so therefore, taking care of reproductive health is much important. Similar to the other diseases, the same thing, the reproductive health also has to be maintained properly. The 3 years minimum time has to be given to the female body to take rest, to heal the body, to repair the body. So therefore, there should be the gaps of proper sufficient gap has to be given between the two children. So that is in that duration, the mother's body will be repaired and come back to the original shape and size and healthy. It will become healthy, and so that again that person, that mother can bear the next child also. So therefore, if there is necessity of keeping gap between the children, and as well as the size of the family, number of children given birth should be reduced, so that there will not be much more damage will happen to the mother's body, and as well as the population also will be controlled. And due to the smaller, what are the this one importance of having smaller family size, small family size? What are the importance, or what are the advantages, or how the this one is that there is a one question that is how the maintaining the reproductive health, what are the effects of maintaining reproductive health on the health and prosperity of a family? There is a one question, this question was there for 2 marks. There is a two questions on family, health and prosperity of the family, and health and prosperity of society also. So what is happening, what, how they are helpful in maintaining health and prosperity of family, how it will be beneficial or good? Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, can you repeat your question again?
So here, maintaining reproductive health, or that maintaining the gap between the children, that is by using contraceptive methods, what are the benefits, or how that will affect the health and prosperity of family?
Ma'am, prevention of, I think, STDs, I guess.
Okay, it will help in preventing STDs.
It
Okay.
prevent STDs and and like unnecessary pregnancy also.
Hmm.
And
Women health. Women's
It
health.
will be it will give time to the improving the women health, reproductive health. Also, it will give rise to the men's one thing. Due to this, the smaller family size will be there. The number of children are less.
Control the
So due
controlling the
to which
population
the
also.
needs of the
controlling the
family,
population will come under society. For
Okay,
family, how it is. We are
the
here, the word is used family.
okay,
So how for
controlling
the
the
family it will be beneficial?
the needs can be met easily for a small number of people.
Yes, small number of people, the family size is less, so therefore the parents can give all the facilities to the children. They can give sufficient proper time to the children. All the facilities will be made available to the children, right? So these are the on family level. Now this is happening with the family level. Now the society level. Few points remain same, few points will change. Same thing here, the STDs will be prevented. There will be the helps in preventing STDs. Secondly, population control. Now here society level, when we are talking, then we can discuss about the population control. Due to smaller size, family size, the population will be controlled, right?
Can we talk about the
And then
mortality rate?
mortality rate, yes, it will reduce the mortality rate. Maintaining the reproductive health of the females. And then this one will also come. Now population is less, so whatever the natural resources will be available, those will be equally distributed among all the number of people, will be made available to many number of people.
Leads to a healthy population.
A healthy population, all the natural resources available will be made available to every part of the society. Okay, clear? So these are the points. This is two mark question, they have asked multiple times. Now here come to the STDs. STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. So in this one, these diseases are caused due to the sexual contact with the infected person, and that will be the microbial one. These are all microbial. So due to the microbes, because they are transmissible, that means they are communicable. So communicable diseases are mostly because of the microorganisms. So STDs are mainly due to two types of microorganisms. That is, one is bacteria, due to bacteria, and the second one is due to virus. Bacterial STDs are syphilis and gonorrhea. Viruses is AIDS and genital warts. Remember the names? Bacterial STDs are syphilis and gonorrhea, which can be cured easily with some medicines, antibacterial medicines. But viral diseases are difficult to cure from. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a syndrome, not a disease, because it directly won't kill the person. It actually kills the immune system, due to which for the other diseases, the body is not fit to fight with. So that person cannot fight with other diseases, and the person will die because of that case. So directly these viruses won't kill the person. They actually kill the human system. They're just like if now China is attacking, then if that places, the army was not there, what would have happened? If the army is not there to retaliate, what would have happened on the border? Easily the China would have entered much earlier and captured the much more area. And that particular area will be moved out of the India. So that would have happened. That is only happening in case of AIDS. So viruses are actually not killing the people. They are directly using up the area. And from that people, the person has to move out of that area, just like happening in Mongolia. So the people, that is completely killing the people. This directly that's happened. That is a different history part. So like this is happening. So AIDS directly, the AIDS virus, that is HIV, won't directly kill the person. It's actually weakens the immune system, and due to which the different microorganisms, when it enters the body, here fighters are not there. Soldiers are not present in our body to kill those, and those are infecting the person and killing it. Clear? So that is therefore we call it as a syndrome. And genital warts also the same thing. Genital warts is somewhat curable, but AIDS is not, till now not. These are the STDs. Now, preventing this, for preventions need to be used the contraceptive devices. The STDs are there. Now, for the prevention, contraceptive devices can be used, and for the maintaining the reproductive health, keeping the gap between the children, the contraceptive methods has to be used to avoid unwanted pregnancies, keeping the gap between the proper gap between the children, or to remove this will prevent STDs. The this one has been contraceptive methods has been used. So contraceptive methods are divided into four main parts, four main methods. I'm coming into minutes. Medcam. Second one is chemical method. This question is one compulsory question. Always, every year they have asked. Explain the contraceptive methods. Chemical methods, that is chemically the changing the hormonal level. It is used to change hormonal secretions, just like in estrogen. So estrogen, when it is secreted, the ovary start producing ovum and releasing ovum. Now if that estrogen secretion is stopped, then ovary can't release ovum. So that way the ovum releasing is ovulation process is changed or stopped. So that will happen, that's chemically. So chemically the hormonal changes has to be done. Hormonal secretion has to be changed. So that is called as chemical method, and the example is oral pills. So there are few oral pills which can change the hormonal level, estrogen level, progesterone level in the body, due to which the ovulation process is affected. And this way, this ovulation process is delayed or stopped. So that will happen with the chemical method. Third one is IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. In this one, it will come copper T and loops. So copper T and loops, these are the devices inserted into the cervix area. So due to which the path of sperms is prevented. So sperms are not allowed or they have been killed. And the fourth one is surgical method. Surgery has been done. Surgical method, that is vasectomy or tubectomy. Vasectomy is done in male body, and tubectomy is done in female body. So it is vasectomy is used in, this is explanation. This is the better to explain because this is more thing you can explain it. So you can use always the surgical method, remember always. So that is you can explain it more. So vasectomy in this vas deferens, where VAS part starts with the for the vas deferens. Vas deferens is cut and tied together. So tied it is. So that is the this one testes produces sperm, but sperms can't move upward through the this vas deferens is not open, so it will be killed immediately there. So there, those sperms will be eliminated. So this way there is the sperms are not allowed to move out of the male body. So that is the vasectomy. And tubectomy, that is in the fallopian tube, there is a cut has been done and then it is tied properly. So that is ovum will not be released. So ovum will not come in contact with the sperm. So therefore, no fusion, fertilization process will be prevented. So these are the four contraceptive methods, and explanation of this will be asked for 4 marks. Oh, this is three marks they have asked this. So you need to know. Don't write. You need to know the principle in all methods, what has been done, and the examples of all the methods you need to know because they have asked this complete explanation in the exam. So therefore you need to know only, don't write the examples. There are, you have to name them first, the method's name. You need to know what happens in that, what is the principle of that method. You need to know, you have to write that, and then example you have to write. It's clear? So this is the end of chapter. Any doubt in this chapter?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, hepatitis is a STD?
Hepatitis is not. No.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
no, no. It is not STD. Hepatitis A is due to the bacteria, and that is by this way only, infected water and infected food. Hepatitis B is, yes, it is fatal sometimes, but not by STD.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, any other doubts?
No.
Okay. Then open notes. Where my notes are going. Important questions. Start solving. One mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark questions are given. And which contraceptive method is used to prevent STD?
Ma'am, only mechanical barriers can prevent STDs.
Yes, only mechanical barrier. No any others. Only mechanical barrier is used to prevent STDs. Others won't prevent. Function of seminal vesicle, prostate glands. Always asked. The question answers what I have given. If you do that much is enough for this chapter.
Mom, for tomorrow also that much is enough. Huh?
Yeah, that is enough.
এই বন্ধ করো ফ্যানটা।
Start solving those important questions. Name the plant which is in which vegetable propagation takes place by leaves.
Bryophyllum.
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 Someone says mic is on. Today many number of 10 students are there. Where fertilization does takes place in human female?
Fallopian tube.
Fallopian tube
Oviduct.
or oviduct. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process in which The
living being produces on its own
young
life.
ones of its own kind. Young ones of their own kind.
Mom, don't need to write a integral feature, mom.
Own kind, yeah, integral feature, that's okay, right? You can change it in your works, but that is they're similar to them. That is similar species is formed. That is important.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen seeds of rose or potato? Name some plants whose seeds you may have seen. Seeds of rose and potato we have not seen. So they are mainly reproduced by stem. Can an amoeba and hydra reproduce like human beings?
Mhm.
No, these are very simpler body organization. So therefore they reproduce by asexual method. Simple cell division. What
Ma'am,
change? Yeah.
in the previous question, the amoeba question, we can also mention like they don't have female and male gametes or of reproductive organs, right?
They have the simple body feature, so they don't have the formation of gametes takes place, and therefore they reproduce by asexual method. What changes are observed in the uterus if fertilization occurs? This is not the 1 mark question. This is a very long question. No, you can write it a 1 mark. That is, its lining, uterine lining, become thick and richly supplied with blood capillaries, and it prepares itself for upcoming pregnancy. Define fertilization. The fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote is called fertilization. Name 2 sexually transmitted diseases, each caused due to bacteria and virus, and mention the ways to prevent them.
Syphilis bacteria.
Syphilis and gonorrhea. Gonorrhea I've written yeah, this is very long. And the second one is viral is AIDS and genital warts. The ways to prevent them, that is
Mechanical barriers.
using mechanical barriers or preventing sexual contact with the infected person. In the human body, what is the role of seminal vesicle and prostate gland? Together you have to write, there is no separation you have. Both together. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland is providing the fluid medium to the easy movement of sperms, and the second one providing nourishment, nutrition, adding nutrition to for the nutrition process. State the difference between menarche and menopause. What is menarche and what is menopause? Menopause.
Menarche is the
Menarche marks the
starting
beginning
stage
of
of
menstruation.
menstruation cycle.
Menopause marks the end.
Yes, it marks the end. So end or cessation of the menstruation cycle. So that is called as menopause. What is variation? Mention. Keep writing all the answers. You write it down and check if anything. If you, I have not explained. Is there anything like that? Any question?
Ma'am, for this question, menarche and menopause, what is the second difference? One can be that.
One is the this one. That is the only one, and it starts the age. You can write.
Okay.
Menarche will start at the age of 10 to 12 years of age, and the this one is 45 to 50 years of age.
Ma'am, in the sixth question, what are the changes observed in uterus if fertilization occurs? Endometrium becomes thick, and what else?
Richly supplied with blood capillaries,
Okay.
and prepares for that is the preparation for upcoming pregnancy.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can we define variations, ma'am?
Variations, it is called as gradual changes takes place in the body. Yeah, gradual changes taking place in the body due to as from the pre-existing ones. That is only right. It's gradual changes, gradual development in the body. Wait one second, propagated. It is there in the next. You don't have differences in the characteristics among the individuals of a species. Differences in the characteristics or gradual development in the characteristics among the species.
Can we say that was during copying of the DNA?
Yeah, during the copying of DNA, yes. Due to error in DNA copying.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Yeah, write it as the differences in the characteristics. Differences in the characteristics of the species among the individuals. Among the individuals of similar species due to error in DNA copying.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is cessation? Ma'am?
What?
Cessation. Cessation of cycle of events.
Cessation, stopping.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, do we have class after test tomorrow?
No.
Yeah. Mom, I'll write the test. It's okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, menopause is generally in late 40s, right?
Yeah. 45 to 50.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the question is how is the sperm genetically different from the egg? Should we write the sperm contains male gamete and
Genetically different. Genes, genetically, how are they different? They have
X?
X and Y chromosomes, you can write. So sperms may have Y chromosome, X and Y chromosomes, but the female have only X chromosomes. All the eggs are completely similar, but the same sperms are not similar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what can be the 3 points for DNA copying importance?
One is the transferring characters from parents to offspring.
Yeah. Then errors can lead to genetic variations. And
Transfer of characteristics, you can write them. There is a variation. Errors can cause variations. And then next, division due to copying the DNA. Proteins are transferred, but how to write that one? Actually, due to the availability of DNA, sustaining a particular species is possible. Due to availability of particular DNA, the sustenance of a particular species is possible. But that is availability, DNA copying. These are the 2 points. There are 3 points.
It's a 3 marker.
Only that one was. Only these 2 points only will come because that will come under the presence of DNA, availability of DNA. Only those 2 points will come. Or you can write as a, it helps in sustenance of a species. Sustenance of a particular species is possible due to presence of that particular DNA.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, how many marks is today's test?
30. Fine. Now you can start the test. Tomorrow, science test reproduction from 7 to 8.